This is the world's creamiest ice cream with just 3 ingredients. I'm going to use 2 eggs and separate out the yolks. Now we'll set this aside in a pot, no heat, and add 400 milliliters of cream. Next, we'll sift these 2 yolks. Heat it up on medium and stir well. Once it's warm but not boiling, we'll turn off the heat and add 200 grams of dark chocolate. And now let's stir with the heat off until the chocolate's all melted. Look how awesome this is. Now all we have to do is pour it into a container. All you next do is freeze it for 5 hours. Check out this killer ice cream. Give it a try. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Super delicious, and the best part, it's super creamy, and I hope you like it. Another recipe from me. Big hug, and see you next time. Cheers.